the hardest part of learning bookkeeping surprised me. Akala ko talaga dati, numbers yung pinakamahirap. Pero honestly, hindi pala. For me, ang mas mahirap is yung mental part. Yung self-doubt, yung overwhelm, yung feeling na parang ang dami po pa rin hindi alam. I think maraming mga beginners ang hindi prepared dito. Kasi usually kapag iniisip nating learning, ang iniisip natin technical lang. Like software, reports, accounting terms, reconciliations, pero nobody really talks about the emotional side of being a beginner. Yung feeling na ang bagal ko, bakit parang gets agad ng iba, baka hindi ako talaga para dito. And honestly, maraming mga moments before na ganun ako. Naalala ko dati habang nag-aaral ako ng bookkeeping, sobrang overwhelmed ko minsan. May mga topics na inuulit ko talaga. Minsan, pagod na yung utak ko, pero pinipilit ko pa rin mag-aral after work. 4 hours lang ang tulog ko minsan. And ang totoo, hindi ako mabilis matuto. So, may mga times na frustrated ako sa sarili ko. Kasi feeling ko, ang bagal ng progress ko kaysa sa iba. Tapos, dagdag mo pa yung pressure financially. So, habang nag-aaral ako, may emotional pressure din akong nararanasan. Na parang kailangan gumana ito. And honestly, nakakapagod mentally yung ganong season. Pero looking back now, I think one of the biggest things I learned is this. Nahihirapan ako doesn't mean hindi ito para sa akin. And being overwhelmed doesn't automatically means incapable ako. Sometimes, it simply means that you're learning something new. And learning something new usually feels uncomfortable before it feels natural. One thing I wish more beginners understood is consistency matters more than the speed. So, hindi mo kailangan ma-master agad lahat. Hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamagaling agad. Hindi mo kailangan gets na lahat in 1 week because confidence usually grows through repetition, through exposure, through continuing kahit mabagal. And honestly, slow progress still changes people. When I started in 2021, wala naman akong perfect roadmap. Confused din ako, takot din ako, overwhelmed din ako. Pero little by little, nagkakaroon ako ng clarity. Unti-unting nag-improve ako. Unti-unting naging less intimidating ang dating overwhelm. And I think minsan nakakalimutan nating i-celebrate yung ganong klaseng progress. Yung quiet progress, yung hindi dramatic, pero real. So if you're learning bookkeeping right now and pakiramdam mo, ang bagal mo, please don't be too harsh on yourself. Hindi ka late. Hindi ka automatically incapable at hindi mo kailangan maging perfect students ka muna para eventually maging good at something. So, give yourself grace, kapatid, while learning it. Keep showing up kahit small steps lang. So, you don't need to master everything immediately to eventually become good at something. Kasi minsan, yung clarity comes slowly. And then confidence comes slowly. And then growth comes slowly. And maybe that's completely normal.